Latest update to the garden we've got here. Boom, baby. Added a humidifier. And this humidifier is 19 liters, so it should last for 2 weeks or so if we're on vacation. I just turned it on, and we are humidifying right now. I can adjust the mist level. I can adjust the humidity. It's got a probe. It connects to the app for the grow tent. So I'm about to, once I get it right, I can take these lids off of these containers because the whole grow tent will be the humidity I have it set at. And the beauty of having the probe on the humidifier and the probe that came with the grow tent, it's kind of a checks and balances to make sure that they're reading approximately the same values. So yeah, good to go. And we will be cooking some pepper madness here pretty soon. Pretty sweet. Thought I'd share that. We can see what's going on here, and we will be good to go. So it was at 40%. I'm just turning on the humidifier. It's already at 60% in a couple minutes, and then yeah, it'll maintain as desired. Sweet upgrade, humidifier.